Working on problem solving, particularly if you want to be creative about this problem solving, it's important to be able to distinguish between two types of problems. One is the complicated type of problems, where you will typically be able to solve the problem by the use of data and analysis. So if you have enough data about the problem and you're able to analyze the data in a rigorous way, you will typically end up with a solution, or at least something pointing towards what is the correct solution. And typically these solutions are something that you have seen in the past in the same industry or in other industries that are directly related to this type of problem. The other type of problems are our complex problems. These are complex because they are filled with a lot of uncertainty. We don't really know what could be a correct solution. Typically because we want to build something we've never done before, like a pyramid for the first time in history of mankind. Or maybe we want to increase the value or efficiency to a level that we've never seen before in our industry. And therefore, there are no previous solutions we can look back at and take. And for the same reason, there is no data from the past that can help us predict how to solve this problem very well. And in the same way, there are typically not any solutions, at least related to our industry and our profession, that can solve this problem, simply because we want to go higher, reach further than we normally do in this industry. For these type of problems, we will need a lot of ideas. The ideas will be the opportunities that we can choose between, so they become our foundation for decision making. And then we also need some visionary thinking to help us visualize each of these opportunities, at least the good ones, these ideas and opportunities. How will they unfold? What will they become? And in the end, we will need to make a qualified hunch what may be the best solution for this type of problem. As a result, when we're working on complex problems, of course, it's nice to have the data we can have to really understand the part of the problem that is still predictable, that is still relatively stable. But because it's a complex problem, there are parts of the problem that are uncertain, that are unpredictable. And for those, we cannot collect any kind of data. This is where we need the ideas. So analysis alone for complex problem is far too weak. We will need to come up with new ideas, typically new ideas we've never seen before in the industry. And these are often the kind of ideas where we think, oh, why have we never thought about that before? That leads us to new kind of solutions and innovative problem solving.